because earlier why not used to use different platforms for different work. So for sales, one platform; for accounting, another; for documentation, another. Once Odoo came up, everything started in one platform. So it was challenging to get a previous data. I have to go there. It was like nightmare for me. So now we are streamlined everything. So it was a nice journey with Odoo.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rinda Chauhan, working at Odoo India, and I'm delighted to be here today with one of our valued customer. His name is Ashwat from India Why Not Designs and Manufacturing. Yes, Mr. Ashwat, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
So this is the second time you are attending Odoo Community Days, right?
Yes.
So how was your experience and what kind of changes you have seen over here?
Yeah, it is a good vibe. Like compared to last year, it is like a more crowded.
That's great. So would like to know more a little bit about of your background of yours and your company also.
So currently in Why Not, I'm working as a finance manager. So when I joined the Why Not, they are just started implement Odoo. By 2021, I joined Why Not.
Okay.
From 18 onwards, they started Odoo, using Odoo.
That's great. So like it's almost nearer to 6 years you are using Odoo.
That time it was very challenging for Why Not and for me also, because earlier Why Not used to use different platforms for different work. So for sales, one platform; for accounting, another; for documentation, another. Once Odoo came up, everything started in one platform. So it was challenging to get a previous data. I have to go there. It was like nightmare for me. So now we are streamlined everything. We are like now we are using 17.
Okay.
So it was a nice journey with Odoo. Next experience.
So what all modules firstly you started with?
We started with sales, CRM, project, accounting, inventory.
We do have 70 plus applications, so it's hardly to remember. That's fine.
It is like every day we used to go to the dashboard and click, go, work done. But which module, it is a bit difficult.
Yeah. So would like to know more about like how was your implementation and onboarding experience with our team, whether it being salesperson, customer success team, or we can say consultant.
That also challenging, because maybe our management is sitting in US and our employees are here, and nobody has a knowledge of Odoo, how it works. I used to heard from all my management team, and also some of the colleagues participated in the initial days of Odoo implementation. For them it is nightmare, they told. But after gradually we started growing, and the support what you used to get from Odoo, it is good. So nowadays it is like anytime if you call Odoo, we'll get a support.
That's great to hear. And like if you want to give a rating Odoo from 1 to 10, so what ratings you would like to provide us?
I'll give 8 out of 10.
So you have seen the version upgrades from that. So would like to know one suggestion and feedback from your end, like in upcoming versions, which currently we are not having one feature and we would like to have that feature in Odoo.
We are expecting this AI.
That's fine. Definitely we'll take a note of this. And yeah, thank you for joining us today at Odoo Community Days event, and we wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you.